Hello everyone. So today we are going to work on the initial animation that is played when we enter into the match mode in this Expedition 33 style game. So here now we are entering the match and you can see there are some initial animations that characters are playing like this before they start fighting. Let me show again. After this screen we see some entrance animations on each character, and here is the preview of what we are going to implement. Here we are going to this enemy party and we go into the match transition, and now here those animation characters are also playing some starting animation just to make it look nice. So yeah, it's going to be a very quick episode and let's dive right into that now. Right, so this is what we have implemented so far. If we go here, you see with this post-process effect and the camera transition happens and we are directly going into the match. So but in Expedition 33 there is initial animation that played by the characters in the player's party. So that's what we need to work at now. So to do that, I am planning to use this animation. There is a level start. This one, level start montage. So I'm planning to play this. Maybe not the first part, but some part from the middle. Somewhere like here, this part. So this is already comes with the asset. So let me duplicate this and I'll rename this instead of level start, match start. Okay, save me up on this instead, and let's go here. Here we have switch to match mode function. Switch to match mode, yeah. And here, let me add a sequence because, and then play a montage. And I'll choose that match start montage. And this switch to match mode is always already called, so I don't think I would have to do anything. Let's see. Okay, so you see there was the animation was, there was a part that the character was here above the ground. So maybe starting from somewhere like this should be enough for us. Let's try. Yeah, that's good. Alright, so that's actually all I want to do. It's a very quick episode, as I said. So yeah, see you in the next episode. Goodbye.